Okay, friends, 2 hours later, after when I was explaining this part, I forget to tell you that I use this one tools. Uh, it's a 316 for made the 3 bolts for the new one. For these 3 bolts, 1, 2, 3. Okie dokie. It's engaged in third. This is the fork. This is the fork. This blade now is engaged in third. Yeah. Put them back to. I'm sorry. Now third, neutral. Third, neutral. 4. This part in this 4. We're gonna see right there. This is for this 0 part. I'm sorry for this here. Yeah, I hope you can see what's the fork functions. Right here, my finger put the from 0 to neutral. Right there. So this part is aligned. This part is aligned. But the other one, if you can see here, this is not aligned. This is not aligned. So I have to solve this. This part. I'm sorry for my squeezing hand. I'm tired. Yesterday and today working a lot. This must be aligned, but the center fork is not aligned. It has a little bit blading. So what's the next point? Let me think. If I disassemble again all of this stuff or buy the extender shift for 2, 4 and reverse. The extender shift is just this central build. This is the extender shift. This is extender for 3, 4. I'm sorry, 1, 3 and 5 gears, but this is for 2, 4 and reverse. So when I finish, I will show you what I have to do and what I've done. Thanks guys, see you soon.